Zo! Zeg wat mooi, Jan. Wow!
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. Yeah, in my bank account. Yeah.
The boys are hyped. We're there to stay. It's a pretty epic day. Let's see if we can catch some nice waves with the GoPro.
in the house, so we're getting some waves. It's not that big waves, but let's see.
Some cute little ones. With the girls. Oh yeah. There's a new kid in the town. He's moving into the big house. Remember when I was so very hopeless, darling. He's gonna make it all better. Dolphins, or that. Oh, yeah! Hey! Down, down, baby, down by the roller coaster, sweet, sweet baby, I'll never let you go. Down, down, baby, down by the roller coaster, sweet, sweet baby, I'll never let you go. I'm gonna catch your wave with the dolphins. It's still running. There's filming dolphins this morning. Perfect. They're catching the wave. Like that. Let's put it back and I'll get the next wave, I think. Oh, that's right, yeah, they're waiting. They're waiting for a wave. There you go. Well, the water was so cold. It was the first time actually we brought the GoPro while we were surfing. The water was super freezing. Marijn had a brain freeze, like every third wave you got over your head. The waves were a little bit tiny, but the dolphins made it so much worth it. So up next will be some sick kite action. Stay tuned. How's the wind feeling?
It's pretty light actually, still for 12. Like I think it's like 80 knots. But like I didn't expect we get a session, so I'm quite lucky that there is some wind. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Yeah, we kind of forgot to film an outro, so after that we're filming an outro now. Please subscribe. We'll be posting every week this year, hopefully. So
See you on the next one.
see you on the next one.
Cheers.